Hello, welcome to this session of uh, breathing exercises, which is called pranayam. There are three of those. One is Anulom Vilom, where you breathe from one nostril left. Let's start and breathe out from right nostril, and then once you breathe out, then you take inhale from the right nostril and exhale from the left nostril. So you need to do it very peacefully, calmly, so that that does its purpose. The second pranayam is Kapalbhati, where you inhale normally and exhale with force. So you apply pressure, you try to force the air outside from your lungs. So what it does is it cleans the lungs, it cleans all the air and then inhales the oxygen or the good air inside your stomach. So we do normally 3 reps of, I do about 100 or 150, but I think what I would recommend is if you're starting, watching it for the first time, you can start with like maybe 25 to 30 reps, 30 breathing exercises, 3 reps of those. So what the process is to uh, inhale normally and exhale with the force. After the 30 reps, what will happen is when you exhale, your stomach should go inside, and when you are inhaling, your stomach should come out. So that will be a natural process you will see while I'm showing you that. And after, let's say, once you finish the first rep, what you should do is when you exhale fully, then you hold your breath there and try to see if you can move your stomach. If not, then just hold it there. And then once you are not able to breathe, then try to exhale it one more time, 3 times if you can. So try to move your stomach in and out. So that is very effective. So that basically does lots of cleansing. So this is called Kapalbhati, and the final one is Bhastrika. So Bhastrika is used for exhale and inhale voluntarily, forcefully. So what happens in that is you inhale with the force and exhale with the force. So it basically like you're breathing in and breathing out heavily. But be cautioned that this is not, Bhastrika is not recommended for the people with blood pressure. Okay. So let's start with the Anulom Vilom, where we start with alternate breathing. This is also called alternate breathing. So put your, make a fist, keep your palm straight, put your right hand, right thumb on your right nostril, and put your 2 fingers in the middle of your forehead, and, and inhale from your left nostril. Put your ring finger on the left nostril and exhale from the right nostril. Inhale from the right nostril and exhale. When you're doing this, you can count when you're inhaling. Let's say count till 5, and then stop. Then hold your breath for 5, and then exhale for 5 seconds. And count when you're exhaling till 5. Let's do it. Hold and exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. So now coming to Kapalbhati, as I mentioned, all you are focusing is on to breathing out. So you force your breath out of your lungs and then inhale normally. So we'll do that, and towards the end you will see the stomach movement is very important. If you can keep synchronize your stomach movement with your exhale and inhale. When exhaling, stomach should go in, and when inhaling, stomach should come out. Okay, so take a look at that. Now normal breathing in, then exhale. So that was the one set. First you inhale and exhale and inhale normally, and in that keep looking at the stomach movement. Then towards the end of the rep, what you need to do is hold your breath and try to move your stomach in and out. And then once you feel that you can't hold it further, throw everything out once more, exhale once more, and then again try to move the stomach, and third time also. So once you're done, then you can start the second rep. So let's start. I'll do another rep for maybe another 25, and then we'll go to Kapalbhati. So please watch the stomach movement and how I stop after one, move my stomach, and then two breath out and third breath out after the second rep. Okay, we'll start now. So third one is Bhastrika, which is actually very effective, but it's not recommended for everybody. So if you have tendency of high blood pressure, you should not be doing this. You should be sticking to Anulom Vilom and Kapalbhati. So in Bhastrika, what do you do is you exhale also forcefully and inhale also forcefully. So same mechanism, but there in the Kapalbhati, the inhale was natural, but here you force it out. So I'll do 10 only because I have tendency of blood pressure. So you can just watch. Same principle follows there also. But that's a short introduction on breathing exercises, pranayam. Hope this is helpful. So if depending upon your capacity, you can do it before the run. You can do it in the sitting posture, or you can stand also, especially if you're doing Kapalbhati. You can stand or stand on your knees, and you can do the same thing like this. Make sure stomach goes in and out. Hope this is useful. See you guys. Thank you.